So we've played I Am Monkey and I Am Cat. So I would recommend you watching these videos, those videos first before we do any more. Yeah, before we do anything else, you should watch these ads. Gotta go. Shoot those things. I ain't trust them. Yo, Power Bro K is gonna play soon. He's gonna play what? I don't wanna answer questions. And Power Bro K might play later. Sooner or later. Why can't they die?
Breeze keeps me moving. Morning air still fresh. Side street, tempting. Take me out.
Why are you throwing stuff at me?
Completed, Sam.
Did you not? I actually never heard of a bird with a firearm. Ah, why? Ads. To be honest, guys, I'm just gonna cut the video. Ah! Alright, we're back to the game.
Negative contact! Disengage!
Stop it! That's not good. It's bad.
Put it down now. I'm filming a move.
Bro.
Keep up.
Come at me. Think you are. Ah. I'm dying slowly but quickly. I did not crash into anything.
Do not crowd. Shoot others will stay safe.
You have a phone.
Position. Re-engage.
Goodness.
Legs back. Pin it high. Deny
Cops
altitude.
can be annoying.
Ground. Reload. Back in. Weapons free.
Okay, I gotta run.
Target in sight. Safety off. Send rounds.
Gosh.
Clear lane. Set.
What's wrong with you?
Deny airspace now. You're probably taking a shot.
Narcissists. So annoying. People.
Get down.
Hey, yo. I heard someone say bend down. I gotta get out of trouble. I'm tripping.
Vanished like my paycheck.
Do you want to get shot? Oh, yeah, you're... Yeah, it vanished like your paycheck. You don't get a paycheck. So technically, what do you want me to do? Wait, don't tell me I'm a pigeon. I look like a vulture. I'm gonna swoop on people. Okay, I'm just gonna leave this bad boy here. I'll come back. I will swoop on people.
Feet know the route. You okay?
That phone would give me anxiety forever.
Retreating like my Wi-Fi signal. Next time. Run!
Bro,
Move! Get out of my way.
stop
Step 10.
spray painting.
For nothing. Committed to everything.
You're a bad kid, man. How much times do I have to tell you? Ouch. I don't know what to say, just ouch.
If I trip, it's performance art.
Street names I'll forget later.
Ow.
Crosswalk says wait.
Oh no!
Powered by
Oh my gosh. Ow. I love this game. I love this game.
Legs on autopilot. Check brain on airplane.
Oh. Wait. Oh, I love this game. I LOVE this game.
Speed. Late. Pretending not
Your electric scooter. My electric scooter.
Hi, Mum.
Okay. Bummer, I can't even use it.
Cars are fine. Dignity is one curb away. Not getting up anytime soon. Go,
She's
go.
not getting up at all.
Keep up. Don't fail me again.
Ouch.
Powered by
Did I
electricity
not
and
just...
delusion.
Give me...
Ouch.
Ouch.
Fits my stride. Back off.
Try dodging that.
Nope. I'm out.
I'm out.
Big dodge. Run. Run for it. Somewhere else. Duck. On your 6. Dog.
Bring this back. Down you go,
Fly.
feathery bandit.
Out of my ear.
I'm coming right back. Wait, I can doodle on people? Oh, ho, ho. I need to tell Power Bro Kaylin about this. Yo, Kaylin. I can doodle on people. Because I'm a bird. Okay. Yeah. Why am I missing? Look what I can do.
Playlist with no ads.
Gonna go attack him?
Look what I can do.
Corners are friendly today. Move. No.
How much ads does this have?
No survival sprint.
Exit. No okay, that's biohazard territory.
No.
I think he's
glide.
just cooking you. I think he almost beat you in a battle.
Don't stop. Legs don't fail me again. Back. Just go.
Yeah.
Are you an eagle or something?
Stride
I
set
think
to
I'm a
automatic
vulture.
exit.
I don't
No
know.
context. That was hard.
Yeah, most likely an eagle.
Only Eagle has that type
Oh
of
my
stamina.
god.
Another foul. I'm 70% sure that's the wrong way.
Are you talking? Not anymore.
Swing on.
No,
Think
he,
fast, Flapper.
What do you?
Evade this,
It's just a
hotshot.
bird. Calm down.
That was hard. Back the way we came. Go. Move sharp.
Like she's beating the crap out of him.
I'm good.
Retreating like
Out of my airspace. I'm respectfully declining this storyline. Move it.
Get out of my face.
Express arriving.
Somebody call an ambulance. Heart racing. Legs faster. Package
An
velocity.
ambulance won't help you.
Heads up. Where's no
Ambulance.
enforce? What just happened?
Okay. Do you need me to throw you?
She's innocent. She's not fighting me.
Bonk Express arriving. Ground.
Bonk Express and
Clear the way.
What?
Bonks don't even.
Oh my god.
LOL negate that.
Yeet. Incoming. Duck, duck, bird. Out of my airspace. Chirp and swerve.
This
Incoming.
instant.
Bonk Express arriving.
Incoming. Duck, duck, bird.
Wait, is my thing still there?
It's bedtime.
I mean, I gotta stay up. Okay, it's still there. You wanna shoot at me? That's it. Oh no, no! I don't wanna die. Oh my god. Wait, how do I revive?
Swing like a corner. Okay, my parents get home. Oh, swinging like a corner.
Shoes good.
Step, step.
So you're gonna be a villain, bro?
Who step?
Folded like a lawn
Think
chair.
you are.
That's
Eyes up. Face up. Back off.
it. The cop is silent.
What's your problem?
Going. Flight. Air no.
I'm sorry.
Ow, feather confetti.
You seem very low.
Consider this a warning shot.
Yeah, I'm
Is that a helicopter?
Down you go.
Fly ball,
Bird. Take
really not that low.
Swing it down. Safety off. Send round. Tweet this throw.
Facing my responsibilities by
Big
two
move.
lots.
Down you go, feather bandit. Now you're face down. Think fast. Minute high. Incoming. Not gonna fly. Take six.
I just died because I was charging my phone. I want to doo-doo on people or something.
I would do everything instead of pure violence.
Yeah. But doo-doo does the damage for some reason.
Sidewalk
checks out.
boss fight. One rogue
Now,
pebble.
Sean.
Why are you looking at me
Sidewalk
like
boss
that?
fight. One pebble. Oh, nasty. Watch out, people. Room service. Yes, proper mix, too literally.
He just got ran.
I'm gonna have to glitch that out. I don't know, bro.
Okay, take him out of the Take him out of the
Actually,
streets.
no, it's too funny.
Take him out of the streets. Take him out of the streets.
I'm not gonna glitch it, man.
He got ran.
Nah, bro.
He just revived.
Return to
Step
sender.
synced to imaginary theme music.
Right here.
Bro, why you so
Bad.
I'm gonna get you ran over.
Whiffle bird.
Yeah.
Oh.
And he came back.
Air traffic denied.
I can do it.
He's dying. Look.
I think the car is not trying to go to jail.
Tweet this. Air note.
Maybe just throw it in the car.
Nope.
Got no fights.
BRB relocating to another zip code. Back to where you came.
I'm gonna poop on your car.
Which way is less crowded?
Speed, late but pretending not to be. If I trip, it's
After
performance.
Hope you're done.
My shoes are doing customer support for my ankles.
Bro.
That's big.
This
Hey,
lock
man,
is down
just-
2 minutes longer than usual.
Oh my gosh, what do you want?
Stream later.
How is
Oh.
that alive?
Cat. Legs don't fail me. Again. Nope.
This street is not safe.
Nope. I'm out. These feet have a union. They voted snack. Map stays in the pocket. Block by block.
Maybe he's trying
Left
to
turn.
fly
Out
and
cold.
BRB relocating.
Or are you too low
Come
to
on,
do
I'm
that?
out.
I can
If I drop
fly
my
using
snack,
my-
don't judge me. Not today, Talons. Take this. Down.
What'd
Map
you
stays
do?
in. Outfly
What did
this.
I do?
Stay with me, buddy. Blink if you hear me. Fast out. This tempo
No,
down.
how is he still
Go,
alive?
go.
He just
Goodbye, dignity. Hello, speed.
Oh yeah, you're alive because you're big. They got ran
Legs don't
over.
fail me again.
Mm.
Special delivery. Bought. Run.
Bro,
Sold already.
leave me alone.
Stay with me,
Stop
buddy.
it.
Blink if you hear me.
What the?
What did he do?
Exactly. I just pooped on one person. Seriously.
Nothing on thermal. Clear.
Left turn. Blocking on a verge of pastry. I get that.
More in.
You okay?
Okay, that's a police. I gotta go now. Whoa. Yo, Kaylin. Look at this. Look at this. 3, 2. Okay, I'm gonna go in. Look at that. Is that not cool?
Oh, where's that lighthouse?
Lighthouse?
Calling it.
There's somebody to poop on.
Yeah, it is.
Maybe someone to.
Crossing streets like I have a plot arm.
I don't have my pew-pew.
You charge it out for the
Yeah, and I don't have time for that. Ow.
people?
What just
happened? 18 minutes.
What in the world happened? Oh, I can. Why did I not see it? I got a pew pewer. Pew pew. Why'd I drop it? Where's it? Where's my pew pew? No! Whoa. Stay awake, it's almost your turn, Kaylin.
On a dare. This block smells like bakery.
My shadow's keeping up.
Why do you have the nerve to...
Straight ahead. Quiet street,
Who's gonna
loud
start
shoes.
with
Mind wandering feet don't.
Clear
a
path.
morning
Beats are my personal DJ.
Sneakers sounding confident.
Birds drawing roots overhead.
Don't look at me.
Right side, dramatic exit. No contact. Not rushing, just going.
Minds only. enough?
Stop.
Feels fine.
If I trip,
Not
it's performance side.
cool.
Bang, I said bye.
No, she's
Back off.
bro.
Shoot.
She was spray painting.
Return fire. Keep cover.
Gosh. I'm sorry for helping sensitive people.
I'm out. I'm so out. Keep up.
Steady steps.
Faster. No. Dangerous. I said bye. Ready. Fail me now.
Down. Move.
Bullseye,
Crack
right?
it.
Re-engage on mark.
Flip those wings.
Catch this feather rain. Says in the route.
Ballistics beats bird flight.
Wing check. Wiffle bird.
Extra the details later.
We are hitting kilometers. Move it. I'm not sticking around. Return to center. Railway. Begin bowling. Incoming. Just now. No. Gravity says hello. Tweak this. This a warning shot. Incoming. Duck. Scatter now. Think fast. Target heads up.
Yeet. Catch this feather.
Here you go. Velocity.
Down you go, feathery bandit. Cover. Heads up. Get it. Now, check the market and fly. Crack.
None of them are even. They're shooting, but they're not getting. Skill issue. This one. Ground up. I just can't go down there. Look how much people are hunting me. What if we have an Indian viewer?
Bring it down.
Are we lucky? Oh, that car went flying. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. That car went into.
Nope.
Yeah. This video looks pretty well.
Back the way we came. Hold the gate back.
Yeah.
Try dodging.
A part 2?
I'm not gonna make the part 2, guys, but no video. I'm gonna make a part 2. I'm not gonna make a part 3.
How did you notice my friend?
Dodge first. Go
What? So she was mad into scared into chill? What?
Just control.
Skill issue. Holy, that bullet went far.
Oh shit, I saw a helicopter.
You call that a helicopter?
Oh no.
He got hit. How is it? How is it alive?
Featherfetch.
That's an alien. How is he alive? How is he alive? He actually got those bullets. She got hit twice. She's literally just mad.
Maybe just poop on her.
She's unfazed. She's unfazed.
LOL. Begin. Try dodging.
Mr. Ball
Right here.
keeps getting
Back
hooked
off.
on.
We're not acting like a veteran. No pickup.
Oh my god. Fetch this. Bozo. Cupid. Did you just say don't cheat? Actually speaking?
Son of heck.
Hold your lane.
Red means mini break.
My dad's name ain't Hecky.
Going. Flight.
Bro,
On me. Fire. Lock.
did you not just see? Heck I done.
Round one. More now.
Catch! Consider this a tactical game.
Bomb delivery.
Bullseye time. Catch this, celebrate.
Take shot. Let's work. Bomb delivery. Pigeon. Back off. Snack this. Catch. Nope.
Target acquired.
Catch fire. Control pair. Snack this.
I took a screenshot.
Full catch. Nope.
Oh.
My airspace. Hope you die. Hold your lane. Run right. Dodge first.
Red means mini break.
I'm sorry for attacking someone that called my dad Hecky.
Not rushing, just going.
Bro,
Hell. One, do your thing.
egg.
Plot twist.
Hands
Nap
off my
time.
fries, bird.
Don't stop. Feather brain.
Oh my
Bird, be
god.
gone. Back.
Nope. Mount.
Puffy
the
head.
Scrabble gets
Express bomb. Boom. Right past your beak. Feathered foul.
Pass your head.
Crowd you right now. Where's the exit?
Boss, just get off of me.
Bang. I said bye.
Seriously.
One more.
Outside
Goodness.
this.
Step count brought to you by Envision.
Beat meets knuckle.
Gravity says, hello.
Try dodging.
Am I ever gonna get out of trouble? Why does it cost Wi-Fi? I ain't putting on Wi-Fi. Cause if I do, y'all might do a screen record
Consider this a
of
warning
Deep
shot.
Death Force. If you know about that
Boomstick, I'm out.
game. Main character.
Clear the street.
God,
Hey, I said bye.
I'm just starting trouble everywhere.
Cash, nope.
You wanna call your mama? Heck no.
Fetch this. Move missile. Don't stop it.
Are
Grounding
you?
order. Now,
Are you?
wait. Express bomb out. Fly or cry. Left turn. Grounding order. Now.
That's so cute.
Corners feel friendly today.
Hey, it's funny, guys. I don't want to hear it. Okay, Lynn? Someone said corn is more friendly today, and I'm like, hey, Lily, I don't want to hear it.
Sky rat. Right.
Got the trip. So over it.
Exit. Where's the exit? Down you go, feathery bandit. Ooh, right at the feet.
Do you need a bandage? You spit? Alright, y'all. I didn't even know it was 33 minutes. Yeah, we have to end like this. Yeah, see y'all, I don't know, around tomorrow.